What's up, guys? I'm glad to have you back. So today I'm going to be reviewing this particular website named Proxy-Seller. Okay, though this particular update is not fully crypto related, but then if you're into online business like SEO, affiliate marketing, web scraping, you're going to actually need a very good proxy to actually help you run your business very well. Okay, and that's why I'll be reviewing the Proxy-Seller right now. So this is one of the best places you can actually get a very good proxy, especially residential proxies. Okay, and if you're wondering what proxies are used for, you can actually use it to actually hide your IP address to access blocked content and also web scraping, and actually offers you a very good security whenever you're actually browsing through the internet. Okay, so proxies are usually an intermediary between your device and the internet. Okay, and right here on the proxy seller, you can actually purchase proxies for over 200 countries right here, and they have a lot of package that we'll be looking into. Okay, but before we dive into this process, I would like you to please take small of your time to smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Here I basically talk about different ways I actually make money online, and right now I'll be talking about the proxy seller right here, which you might need to actually access some very good tools while you're trying to make money online by trying out different things. Okay, and also on the notification bell so that whenever I drop another good update, you're going to be the first to see it. Okay, now without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right now. So you can easily sign up on Proxy Seller by using the link in the description section below and also in the pinned comment down below. Okay, so you just create an account and a verification email will be sent to that account which you use to actually verify your email address. Okay, so once you sign up, it will bring you right here to this page. Okay, so now let's look into how you can actually purchase proxies from this particular website. Okay, so right here, when you click right here on where you have choose a service, you have multiple services like the mixed package. You have the residential proxies here and the mobile proxies also. Okay, so let's say you're going with the first option here, which is the proxy IPv4 here. Okay, so you can select the location. You see a lot of locations right here. So let's say you're going with the USA, for example, and right here where you have select period, you're going to select the period you're going to be needing this proxy for. Okay, let's say for 1 month, for example, and you can also put in the number of IPs you need. Okay, and the price actually varies depending on the number of IPs you need and also the duration you need it for. Okay, and right here it's going to actually show you the price you can actually purchase this particular proxy for. Okay, and it will be giving you 2 IPs. Now guys, there's actually an offer for you. Okay, if you use my promo code, which I'll be dropping in the description section of this video and also in the comment section down below, you get about 50% off on your first purchase right here. Okay, and to actually use it, you click on the redeem code button here and you actually enter the code. All right, so I'm just going to enter the code right here to actually show you. So this is the code right here, and I'll also be dropping it in the description section below for you to get 50% off on your first purchase. Okay, now if you actually need a good proxy for social media management, like having multiple Instagram accounts and also Reddit account on one device, you're going to need a residential proxy. Okay, now for the residential proxies, you can actually select the plan you need. Okay, so let's say you want to go for the 3 gig plan. Okay, you can also select the month you're going to need it for. So the minimum is actually 1 month, and if you actually put in my promo code right here and you click on the buy proxy button, then it's actually going to display your order details. Okay, and one thing about the proxy seller is that it has multiple payment options. This is not something you find in other platforms. Payment options like your MasterCard and also crypto payment options. You can also make payments with your cryptocurrencies right here. Okay, so let's say you're going to be using the crypto option here. Let's select the USDT TRC20, for example. I'm just going to click on submit order right here. Okay, and it will bring you right here to a payment gateway where you can actually make your payment within 1 hour, and you also select the network you want to use to actually make your payment, and then you click on proceed payment right here. And once you actually make your payment and it is actually confirmed by the blockchain, your proxy details will be sent directly to your email, details including the IP address and port, username and password, and also protocol. And you'll be able to use it to run your business smoothly and securely. All right. And guys, if you're actually worried about if this particular website is legit or not, I checked it out on Trustpilot and there are a lot of good reviews about the Proxy-Seller, okay? And it has been out there for a very long time and people are actually purchasing good proxies from it and actually enjoying the proxies they use, okay? So you can see there are over 900 reviews on this and it's actually good reviews about the Proxy-Seller, okay? Now, in case you might be using these and you might encounter an issue or you actually want to make more inquiries, you can also contact the customer care service, okay? So if you click on this icon right here, it actually give you a chat box right here where you can actually reach out to the customer care service for 24 hours, okay? And you can also email them in case you want to also make more inquiries about the Proxy-Seller, okay? So that's basically how the Proxy-Seller operates and that's how you can actually purchase a proxy from this, okay? And remember, you can get 50% off on your first purchase if you actually use my promo code, okay? And also, me personally, one important thing I usually use proxy for are for surveys, okay? So there are a lot of surveys that you cannot actually access without using a proxy. And this is because you want to actually gain anonymity, like hiding your IP address, and you want to actually use this to access locations that are not actually accessible to you, okay? With proxies, you can actually access them very easy, okay? So that'll be all for now, guys. And if you find this helpful, please don't leave without smashing the like button and also subscribe to this channel, okay? And I'll be seeing you guys in my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.